Everyone has a website these days. Even the office dog Z has one. Don't we all, Z? Whether you're creating a one-page site to share internal communications, blog articles, or even to share more information on an upcoming campaign or event, we're here to help. In fact, we'll even show you how to do it in a matter of moments, not months. Isn't that crazy, Z? Isn't it? Isn't it? Hi, I'm Rachel, a B2B content specialist here at Canva. Now, back in the day, creating a website was like scaling Mount Everest. It was an expedition filled with danger, requiring a hefty budget, a team of coding Sherpas, and an endless supply of time and money. A luxury reserved for the digital elite. But these days, it's a whole different story. Now creating a website is as easy as making instant noodles. Well, at least it is when you're using Canva. What? I like noodles, okay? But seriously, need a site for an upcoming social club event? Done. Need a site for a company newsletter? Easy. Today, anyone can whip up a website in no time and without breaking the bank. It's a brave new world where the only limit to having a website is, well, not having anything to make a website about. But when it comes to your business, there's 1,000,001 things a website would be useful for. For instance, at Canva, we create a website for our monthly staff newsletter. It's a really easy central place anyone can get to wherever they are on whatever device. What about a goal celebration, training hub, or even a product launch? They can also be shared externally, like a landing page for a press release, making it easier for media outlets and journalists to access. It's so easy. No more boring manuals that no one ever reads. You can literally drag and drop any amazing visuals, branding, animations, and links. No coding needed. The best thing is it doesn't have to cost anything. How about that for budget friendly? Anyone can access websites. With a free Canva account, you can create 5 live sites using our free domains. Or if you're using a purchased domain, there is no limit to site creation. With Canva for Teams, you can create unlimited sites, whether you're using free or paid domains. And also additional benefits like site analytics and all of your favourite branding tools like brand kits. Okay, enough talk. Let me show you how easy it is. From the homepage, click on this button and you'll be offered a range of template designs. Hover over anything with a play button or page number and you'll see an animated preview. Look at all the choices. Want even more? There's really every sort of option for every sort of business. Click on any that you like the look of and you'll go through to a preview where you can see each page in more detail. This one is for a social media marketer, but I can see how it would also work for my business I'm designing it for. Everything is customizable. And of course, you can use your brand kit to make it yours in record time. Adjust the colours, the fonts, pull in brand approved images, What's that? You don't have a brand kit set up? Well, not to worry, you just need to watch this video with Clay. It goes into detail about how to set your own up. In no time, you'll have all of your brand assets right there, where you need them, when you need them. Okay, back to websites. Now, one of the biggest blockers to creating a quick site is writing the draft copy. But with Magic Write, our AI-powered copy generator, the barrier is removed instantly. Better yet, if you've set up your brand voice in your brand kit, Magic Write will apply it perfectly across your copy. Let's create some copy about what this site is about. To start, I'll go into Brand Kit and select this button. This will ensure that it's written in our brand voice. Type in a prompt explaining what you're trying to do and hit generate. And look at that, a great first draft. Consistent with our brand's personality. What about something on encouraging feedback? Follow the same process. Go to Brand Kit, type in your prompt, and hit generate. If you need more space for your beautiful writing, just extend the page height like this. Isn't that easy? It's like having a personal writing assistant helping you get your first draft fast. Now, if you want to know more about Magic Write prompts, you could watch this video. Let me find it for you. Go to the tips from the team playlist. This is packed with fun guides like using the new presentation tools, collaborating on whiteboards, or even how to make a media kit. Ah, there's the Magic Write one. Hit that subscribe button to keep updated. Now, I mentioned collaboration, and really, this is one of the best and most useful things in Canva, well, in my humble opinion. Here's my draft website, and I think it's ready for me to invite the team in to get their feedback and suggestions. As you can see, it's really easy to share. Give them edit permissions, and you can work together in the same document in real time. Just watch those cursors go. Maybe you don't want anyone playing with your design, and in that case, just give them commenting rights. Here they can give feedback and react to their heart's content. Okay, now while they're working away, I'll show you how to preview your website. This is the desktop version, and this is the mobile version. Isn't that simple? A responsive website just like that. Want to turn off the responsiveness? Let's leave it on. It looks way better. Add navigation here. Okay, how are we doing? Making sense so far? Before I show you how to publish, I need to show you how to add links. Now this really levels up your website game. Let's transform this into a button. With the box selected, you can go into the menu or just press Command K. I'll select page 3, which is the About page. Now people can click on this and it'll take them directly to the page. This works for external websites, emails, and even social media. Just type in the address you want to send people to, and there you are, a live link. You can even link different websites together, making it feel like one seamless experience for your audience. Okay, now let's publish. Start by hitting this button. I'm just going to go with the free option, but you could attach it to your existing domain or purchase a new one without having to leave Canva. Here you can choose what you want the browser tab to display. Choose something simple and obvious. Add in a description, again, something simple and to the point. In the advanced setting, you can choose some privacy options. For instance, maybe you want people to enter a password before viewing the site. Toggle this button to stop your site showing up in search engines. Click publish when you're happy, and there you go. We are live. In fact, you can go and have a look at it right now. Go ahead, pause the video. I'll wait. Just go to the address on the screen. I'll be able to tell you've looked by going into my insights. Here I can see how many views, from where, and on what device. I can even dig further into the traffic and look at the audience engagement. Analytics are a really great way to gauge how well your site is performing or identify areas where you could improve. And that's it. No more difficult than cooking my favourite snack. Anyone using Canva Pro or Canva for Teams can publish unlimited websites. So you can have one for every part of your business or even personalize them for specific teams or clients. The options are endless. Got any questions or thoughts to share? We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Just drop them in the comments below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Oh, hey, you're still here. Well, that's exciting because now you can check out our playlist. It's packed with valuable resources for businesses just like yours. Actually, this one might be worth a view. It goes really well with what you've just watched. And hey, thanks for hanging out. We really appreciate it. So hit that subscribe button and you won't miss a thing.